play the parrot game. In this game, I am going to try to catch you. I'll be telling you what is in the picture, and you will have to repeat after me, but I won't always say the truth, so you have to be careful. Okay, a pilot. A policeman. A doctor. A firefighter. A nurse. A pizza. A nurse.
A sandwich.
Good. Okay. A carrot. A rectangle. A triangle. A circle. A rectangle. Good. A pilot. Good. A policeman. A doctor. A policeman. Oh, okay. You're better than I am. What's this? Yeah, a firefighter. A nurse. A pizza. A sandwich. A carrot. A square. Oh, okay, a triangle. A circle. A triangle. Oh, okay, a pilot. A nurse. Yay! Point for me! Thank you, Bartek. Okay. Okay, wait. A policeman. A doctor. A nurse. Okay. A nurse. Good. A pizza. A sandwich. A carrot. A pizza. Okay. A rectangle. A triangle. A square.
A square.
Thank you. That's a circle.